here to do narrated sketch number 6, which is of a basin. I'll be doing a map and a cross section. Alright, so I will begin with the map. Start with one layer of rock, second layer of rock. Remember, this is the overhead view. Third layer of rock. Let's see. And we'll make one last fourth layer of rock all the way around. Okay, so we have 4 layers of rock. In the middle of a basin, you will find the youngest rock. And in the last layer, on the outside layer, you'll find the oldest rock. Okay, so now that we have a basin drawn with the youngest rock in the middle and the oldest rock on the outside, we will draw some strike and dip symbols right here. They always point towards the center. That's important to remember with a basin. So we'll draw them all around, but they're all pointing towards the center. And we'll make them 30 degrees. Say 30 degrees, 30 degrees. Okay, so we got some strike and dip symbols pointing towards the center. That's the key thing to remember. And then this will represent the flatline rocks. Right here we have like a plus sign, which will represent flatline rocks. And I think that's pretty much it for the map. And now for the cross section. Now this is more like the side view. We'll have land at the top. So that will represent the land. We'll draw a house and a tree. This will represent, that that's the land. And now here we go with the cross section. We have one layer of rock, second layer of rock, there's the third layer of rock, and here's our fourth layer of rock. Okay, now remember, right in the center we have the youngest, and on the outside layer we have the oldest. And that'll pretty much do it for a basin. We have the cross section showing the 4 layers that we drew in the map, with the youngest rock in the center and the oldest rock on the outside. And here we have the map with the flatline rocks represented by pretty much like the plus sign symbol right in the middle of the basin. We have the strike and dip symbols at 30 degrees, all pointing towards the center. And we have the 4 layers, just like we had in the cross section.